Welcome everybody. Another month of 2020 in the books, and to help you celebrate, a Splash monthly release video, of course. The temperatures may be dropping, but Splash is just starting to crank up the heat this quarter. Our theme this month is the virtual event makeover, and honestly, it's way more involved than just a little foundation. Our friends are going to be bringing you a cornucopia of that good, from updates to the virtual event page touchpoint, forms library, and even an increase in support via Slack. Enough yapping for me, I say let's get into it.
Hey there, I'm Devin Marsh. I'm an engineering manager at Splash, and today I'm going to be telling you about some updates we have coming for the virtual event page touchpoint. And you know, good things come in pairs. And the first good thing I got for you today? A button. Not just any button, this is a button on your virtual event page that sits front and center along with your live stream content. This is going to be for your guests to be directed to downloadable content, a subscription, another event even. Really anything that you want it to be is completely customizable, and it's really anything with a link can be put in there. The second good thing is we got this virtual event page URL that's going to be now created as a token in your Splash integrations. This means you can take your virtual event page touchpoint content, put it right into Marketo, into HubSpot, into Greenhouse, whatever you're integrated with already in Splash, that's going to work with the virtual event page touchpoint. That's all I got today, but I'm super excited for people to get their hands on this, and I hope to talk to you soon.
Hi there, I'm Alex. I'm the principal designer for Splash Creative, and I'm here to introduce you to this month's branded theme release. This is a theme with the registration form placed in line, right up front, right at the top of the page where both guests and hosts want it. This theme's got all sorts of bells and whistles. We have a standard agenda block, a speaker block with circular headshots, so that's a bit of a departure from some of the other branded themes that are on the menu. A gallery block, a video block, sponsorship block, a FAQ block, and then of course the block which contains the inline form itself. In an era of virtual events, registration conversions are more important than ever. That's why this new branded theme puts the form front and center so that the guest experience and valuable data collection kicks off right. Thank you for your time, have fun with this theme, and happy designing.
If your event program is anything like ours, the transition to virtual events has required some changes to your registration form. With Form Library, you can make these changes in one place, with your conditional logic, with your integration set up, and making sure that your forms are compliant, setting up your team for success. Anyone else in your organization can select these registration forms that have been set up and apply them to your events to ensure that you are collecting all of the information that is necessary to host a successful event.
Hey everyone, it's Hannah Swanson, Customer and Community Marketing Manager at Splash, and I come with really great news this month. We're officially launching support in the Splash Community Slack workspace.
No matter if you're needing support on integrations, design, a virtual event, or a general Splash question, our team and your peers will be here to help.
So that means where you're already in every single day talking to hundreds of other Splash users and hundreds of event marketers, there's going to be 4 new channels where you can get Splash support right from the source. So what are you waiting for? Join that community right now. We can't wait to see you in there.
Piper here with the product marketing team at Splash. This month we're raffling off a free virtual event makeover. The winner will be paired with our team of experts to take standard webinar experiences and turn them into data-driven, branded virtual extravaganzas. In December, the winner and their program will be stars of our premiere event, so get those red carpet looks ready. Register for your chance to win today.
And that about wraps it up. Enjoy your Novembers, give thanks to those who deserve it, stay safe, and we'll catch you here next month when we'll be knocking things off that holiday wish list.